Welcome to Homeyhuts. In this video, we'll show you how to use iCal Calendar Sync to keep all your bookings updated across all OTAs. So in the Properties tab, you can search your property or select the property you want to sync the calendar with. Click on Calendar and Pricing, and then we'll go in the Availability. And here below, you can see a tab that is iCal Sync. So here you can copy the link to connect with other OTAs like Airbnb or booking.com, and here you can enter the other OTA's link as well. So we'll enter Airbnb link. Open your Airbnb account and search that listing. Click on the calendar, and then in the availability settings below you can see like connect to another website. Click on that. So from here you can copy the Airbnb link and enter here and add. So your Airbnb calendar is synced. And for Homeyhuts, copy this link and enter the website link below and write the name of the OTA and click on add calendar. So your calendar is synced with Homeyhuts, and here you can see it is synced with Airbnb. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. And this iCal sync will help you to automatically connect with all other OTAs like booking.com, Agoda, Google Calendar. So any booking made anywhere is instantly reflected here. Yeah, that's how iCal Calendar will help you manage your availability without stress. Happy hosting with Homeyhuts. Thank you.